In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Webdav in BigCommerce. Webdav, short for Web Distributed Authoring and Versioning, lets you connect to your store's file system so you can manage theme files and assets from a desktop client. Because it grants direct file access, the permission is turned on per user, and only admins can enable it. Here's how to switch it on safely and correctly. Start by signing in to your BigCommerce control panel with an account that has administrator privileges. If you're not an admin, you won't see the option we're about to use. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll head to the Users area where all store accounts and permissions are managed. Depending on your dashboard version, this section lives under Account Settings, then Users, or simply Under Settings, then Users. If your interface looks a little different, use the dashboard search bar and type Users to jump straight there. On the Users page, locate the specific user who needs Webdav access. Remember, this setting is applied per user, so choose carefully based on who should be able to connect to your store's files. Click Edit next to that user to open their profile and permissions. In the User Details screen, scroll until you find the option labeled Enable Webdav. This is the toggle that controls Webdav access for that account. To turn it on, check the box that says, Yes, allow this user to use Webdav. This grants that user permission to connect via a Webdav client. When you've made the change, click Save. After saving, Webdav is now enabled for that user. No server restarts or extra configuration required. You should see your changes confirmed, and from this point forward that account can authenticate through Webdav using its existing login credentials. A few quick tips to keep things secure and organized. Only enable Webdav for people who genuinely need file access, and review permissions periodically. If you don't see the Webdav option, double-check that you're editing the correct user and that your own account is an admin. If your store uses a newer dashboard layout, the wording may vary slightly, but the setting remains in the user's profile. And finally, if you ever need to revoke access, return to the same setting, uncheck the box, and save. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled Webdav for a user in BigCommerce, keeping control in your hands while giving the right people the access they need.